usually make to bed, walk, sleep, go to bed, and continue prepare for breakfast. Since this week is the midterms, I usually use my time for students to prepare for tomorrow's exams. After being tired of studying, I have a lunch, and usually I have lunch at 1 o'clock. After that it is continued doing my college assessment, and sometimes in the middle of working on assessments, I'm distracted by doing my hobbies, namely singing and watching a movie.
Cepatkah ini cinta hanya tak ingin orang lain tahu, diam-diam ku telah jatuh cinta. Aku selamat. From morning to evening, I usually go to take a shower and continue for dinner at 8 p.m. After dinner, I will review the exam preparation material for the next day, and I go to bed at 10 p.m. That's all.